one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
ZANU PF affiliates push for Mnangagwa life presidency. The 27th of August 2025. Spread the Love by Kenneth Nyangani calls for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in power for life have intensified, with ZANU PF affiliates declaring they will push for the motion at the ruling party's annual conference to be held in Mutare this October. The conference, scheduled for October 13th to 18 at Mutare Polytechnic, is expected to draw thousands of delegates. It follows last year's meeting in Bulawayo, where resolutions were passed calling on Mnangagwa to extend his stay in office beyond the constitutionally limited 2 terms, which end in 2028. The president himself has consistently said he will step down when his term ends, but the clamor from party affiliates is growing louder. Momentum for the life presidency agenda was on full display over the weekend at Tanganda Primary School in Chipinge, Manicaland Province, during a medical outreach program organized by Discovery Ambulances Services, DAS, and the Presidential Emergency Fund. The event, attended by senior party officials, ministers, and war veterans, quickly transformed into a political rallying point. ZANU PF Provincial Chairperson Tawanda Mukadza led chants demanding that Mnangagwa remain in power until 2030. While grassroots members echoed the call, affiliates took the message further, insisting the president should be in power for life. We as affiliates sat down and discussed a number of issues. As our number 1 resolution, we are saying to you, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, we the people are saying 2030, declared Trimor Bobho Chimbangura, chairperson of Boys DZA Mdra Manicaland. We noted that these are few years because of the work you are doing, so you should be there for life. Our President Mnangagwa is doing a great job and should be there for life. Several affiliates, including Cross Borders for Economic Development, Madzaibuba for Economic Development, Teachers for Economic Development, and Vendors for Economic Development, publicly endorsed the call. They also praised Mnangagwa for introducing the Presidential Fund Scheme, which they said had empowered their organizations with resources to start income-generating projects. We want to thank President Mnangagwa for the work he is doing for all affiliates which are here today. Chimbangura added, we were given funds and we benefited through Presidential Advisor Paul Tungwarara, and we are starting projects with these funds. Speakers highlighted the president's efforts to attract investors, arguing that his policies were laying the foundation for economic recovery. Meanwhile, hundreds of villagers from Chipinge district received free medical care during the outreach program. Despite the enthusiasm from affiliates, political analysts say the push for a life presidency is likely to spark fierce debate both inside and outside the party. Zimbabwe's 2013 constitution limits presidents to 2 5-year terms, and any attempt to override it would ignite questions about democratic principles and governance. For now, the affiliates' chants add to growing speculation that Mnangagwa's succession question will dominate the Mutare conference.